just fed the squirrels and the birds, so they are like in heaven right now. See them? You can't get too close because then they fly away. I try to, when I come out here, bring bird feed and squirrel feed because not many people feed them. A lot of people around here, they give them like rice and bread, and that's not good for them. So, you know, every so often I go on Chewy or Amazon and I get the feed and I bring it out here and I feed them. And they are super duper grateful. I put them all along the park, along the walls and stuff. So, you know. And this squirrel eating all the sunflower seeds here.